This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Split level on large cul-de-sac lot. This spacious home has 4 bedrooms/2.5 baths, living room, dining room, large utility room, new roof, new heat/air, fresh paint throughout, new light fixtures, full appliance package including stainless steel range, refrigerator, dishwasher, and microwave, new quartz counters. Primary bedroom with nice closets and private bath. 4th bedroom could also be used as family room, homeschool classroom, or home office. Large backyard, storage shed, and custom decking. Convenient to Interstate, Chesapeake City Park, and Greenbrier. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.